La 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 Elmo's and Robin's world, Emo's and Robin's world. La 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 Elmo's and Robin's world, Emo's and Robin's world. World with Elmo's, world with Robin's world. Yes, take that. Yeah, ha ha ha. Take that, you losers. Ha 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 ha. Boo! Robin, what was that for? I just wanted to scare you. I just wanted to scare you, Elmo. But do that to someone else. I'm busy. Busy what, playing games? Yes. Now go. Alright, fine, Elmo. Who should I scare? I should scare Big Bird. Oh yeah, I am gonna shoot this basketball all the way over there. Right now, I'm on the top of the stairs, so I better get ready. All right, so which basketball player should I call out? Curry. Huh. Dang it, I miss. All right. Kobe. Huh. Dang, I missed again. Alright, I know I won't miss this one. There we go. Who? LeBron. Boo! Oh no! Big Bird. Big Bird, are you okay? Does it look like Captain Obvious? Of course I'm not okay. Of course I'm not okay, Robin. What, you gotta get that through your thick skull? Of course I'm not okay. I broke my legs. Ugh. Okay, you want me to take you back up to the couch? What kind of stupid America are we living in? Hey, Captain Obvious. What kind of country are we living in? Of course, I want you to take me upstairs. All right. Ow. Who? There. I'm done playing. Elmo. Oh, hey, Robin. What's up? Elmo. Guess what happened? What? Alright, so let me tell you, let me tell you what happened. So, I was on the beach, like over the weekend, right now, actually, and, I saw a baby kitten drowning in the ocean. So I swam in the ocean, and I saved the baby kitten, but I saw a huge shark, and it bit me on my legs. I mean, I saved the kitten, but I'm still alright. Really? That's what happened? Yeah. No. I said boo, and he fell down the stairs. That happened after. Huh? You scared him and he fell down the stairs? Huh? Yeah. I'm just saying what to do. Robin, you need to take care of him. What? Me take care of him? Come on. I mean, you did scare me, so you do need to take care of me. But why? Because you scared me, so you need to take care of me. Yeah. Oh, and you remember how I had to, dress up like the... What you say? Nothing. Just take care of him, Robin. Fine. Well, Big Bird, come on. I guess I let you do whatever you want. I mean, it is fair, so... Alright. So what you want first? Okay, to be fair with you, I actually want an iPhone 6. iPhone 6? Wait, is there such thing as iPhone 6? Of course there's such thing as an iPhone 6. Well, I don't have enough money for that, so ask me something else. Whatever. Just get me a cookie. Alright. Cookie! Yum, 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 yum. I need to eat trash instead. Boy, he really loves cookies, huh? Alright, I need to take one cookie. Okay, I got you a cookie. To be honest, I really don't want a cookie. I literally went in the kitchen and got you a cookie. What you mean you don't want a cookie? Well, it's just I don't feel like it. Listen, you're gonna eat this cookie. No, I'm not. Plus, I'm not even hungry. Wait, you know what? Okay, how about this? How about you just give me some ice cream and some gummy worms, and that'll cheer me up. Ice cream with gummy worms? Fine. But I don't think we have any ice cream. What type of house that doesn't have any ice cream? I'm pretty sure there's some ice cream. Alright, I'm telling you. Yeah, just go. Ugh. Few minutes later. Ugh, where is he with my ice cream and gummy worms? Alright, Big Bird, there wasn't any ice cream. But I got you trolleys. Let me see it. Ugh. It's empty! Huh? It's empty. You just got me an empty bag. What? Ugh. You know what? Ugh. Just scratch all that off. Just give me a wheelchair and I just want to play basketball. Alright. Alright. We're here, Big Bird. Alright. Give me a ball. Alright. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Tom Brady! Huh! Wait, Tom Brady's not a basketball player? Wait. Oh no, not again. You shouldn't have done that, Big Bird. You think? Ugh. You know what? I think I actually want one more thing for today. Oh yeah, and what is that? I want a Lunchable. A Lunchable? What are you, 5? Pretty much we're 5 years old in this house. We like to scare people and break people's legs, so can you give me a Lunchable? Oh, and the one with the Capri Sun? I really like Capri Sun. Fine. Yeah. There. Finally, you got back. Just here. Can you stick it in for me? No, dude, you stick it in yourself. That's what she said. What? Come on, bruh. You're making this harder. That's what she said. Come on, dude. Just stick it in. That's what she said. That's it, Big Bird. I'm done with you. That's what my ex said. Why? She was so fine, though. You know why I lost my appetite? So she's gonna break up all my ex that I don't even want ice cream. Fine. I just go. There. I just sit here and possibly die. but who knows? Ugh. Always be bringing up my ex. Ugh. Few weeks later. Good morning, Robin. Oh, good morning, Emily. Good morning, Elmo. Oh, hey, Robin. You haven't been checking out on Big Bird in a while. What happened? Oh, I forgot to check on him. Big Bird? Yo, what's up? I finally got back on my legs. You know. Oh, that's impressive. Yeah, so that means I can do a handshake. Yeah. What just happened? I just broke my knee. I just broke my kneecap. Huh? Oh, great, not again. Oh, God.